I'm touring the best bakeries in Tallinn, and today I'm checking out Becker Bakery. It's a cafe/bakery that makes some of the most delicious looking pies you will ever see. They mostly focus on old school Estonian flavors, the fillings that are very nostalgic to local people, such as an egg and spring onion pie, which I obviously had to try. And oh my god, it was super yummy, and just look at all this filling. These guys also love to experiment with their flavors, and when I saw the kimchi pie, I simply couldn't resist. I grabbed the very last one, and let me tell you, it was a flavor bomb. So mommy, so good. I could honestly eat the whole tray of them. And at that point, I decided to fully give up on my summer body and get 2 more pastries, because we live only once. I grabbed a pumpkin and salted caramel brownie. Look how moist it is. It was good, but my favorite one was this little fella, lemon and rosemary polenta cake. It wasn't too sweet, it was perfectly lemony, and if you close your eyes, you would be instantly transported to the shores of Italy. My crumb-free plate clearly indicates how much I enjoyed it.